Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cherry crumb pie. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Or this week, new videos every day. So let's get started. First, you'll need a pie crust. I'll put a link to the recipe I'm using in the description box. And one of the biggest issues with making pie is an underbaked or soggy pie crust, so be sure to check out my pie crust troubleshooting video, where I show how to prevent and fix an underbaked or soggy pie crust. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Then you're going to need frozen cherries that are completely thawed. If they're not thawed completely, they will continue to release liquid in the filling and the pie will come out runny. You can also check out my strawberry pie video where I show a way to quickly thaw them. Once they're completely thawed, you then need to drain out all the liquids from the cherries. Try and push as much liquid out as possible. Then set aside the cherries over another bowl. Liquid will continue to slowly drain from them. Measure out half a cup of the drained liquid. Add it into a large saucepan. And add in the sugar. And place the saucepan onto the stove over medium heat. Stir to combine. And heat it until the mixture boils and all the sugar has dissolved. Meanwhile, in a separate small bowl, add in the cornstarch and cold water and whisk them really well to get rid of all the lumps. Once the mixture on the stove is boiling, slowly add in the cornstarch and water mixture while stirring so you don't get lumps. Then keep mixing it over the heat until the mixture thickens and becomes clear. Then remove it from the heat. Add in more sugar, salt, cinnamon, and lemon juice. And place the saucepan back onto the stove. Stir the ingredients and heat it until they're well combined and most of the sugar has dissolved. Then remove it from the heat and add in the cherries that were set aside from earlier, and mix them in until they're combined. And pour it into the prepared pie crust. To make the crumb topping, in a medium bowl, add in the flour, sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined. Then add in the cold butter that's been cut into cubes, and use your fingers to rub and squeeze the butter into the flour until the mixture is combined and crumbly. Sprinkle the crumb topping all over the top of the pie. And bake it in the oven on top of a sheet pan for about 30 minutes until the topping is nicely browned. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for 20 to 30 minutes until it's no longer hot but still very warm. And you can serve it still warm or at room temperature. And that's how to make a cherry crumb pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.